ever since the videos about the dancing epidemic, people have been sending me weird Wikipedia articles, which admittedly I think I said, send me your weird shit. Georgia, it's your fault. You're patient zero. Everything is always my fault all the time. You started it! So these two are gonna go to Italy this summer to study abroad in Perugia, but apparently, and I was happily writing my staging and blocking into my score, and then all of a sudden I hear from this one right here, if we can't take the cat, we're not taking the coffee machine. And now, I would like to ask both of you a question. In what planet do you think you're getting a cat through airport security unnoticed?
That's Rose. My dog has a passport.
Which I don't understand.
No, they do not, Rose.
Rose, are you kidding? Passport.
Rose, what
gives a dog a passport? We took her to Canada.
Rose, why does your dog need a passport?
We have family in Canada.
But why does my dog? You didn't answer the question.
You're not answering the main question. Why does a dog need a passport?
Because security says she needed a passport.
Does it say her name and her address?
It does not.
It says her name and her address.
You're bullshitting. That's not real. That's not real. Neo, okay, you could take a coffee maker. Like, you're probably gonna have to check it at security and pay like $50. But like,
What does their picture look like?
or you're going to Italy. Just buy coffee there.
Rachel.
It's not like you're going to a land without coffee.
Wait, can you imagine if someone stole Rose's dog's passport and used it for their dog, but like her dog, imagine her dog is like some tiny schnauzer, but like someone used it for like their fucking like pit bull or something. But like,
No, Rachel, I cannot, because this was ridiculous before we even thought of that.
I don't know. I thought that was cute. I don't
You
know.
want to defend yourself now?
A pet passport is a document that officially records information related to a specific animal as part of that procedure. The effect is to drastically speed up and simplify travel and transport of animals between member countries compared to previous procedures if the regulations are followed.
Why does your dog need
Because we
citizenship?
took her to Canada.
No, okay, but why does your dog need citizenship? What kind of shenanigans is your dog getting up
I guess they
to?
want to know you're not stealing your dog.
I'm done.
Amy was like, is it a quiche? And two other people were like, is it a quiche? So I'm guessing it's a quiche because it kind of maybe possibly looks like a quiche. I don't know. I saw it. I was really hungry. I was like, I want to eat. And I saw it. And I was like, wow, that looks kind of appealing. And I was like, I'll take that one, sir. It was a woman. This is a quiche apparently.
We have opera in 15 minutes.
I'm gonna die.
Me and Mitchie were talking about like ColourPop and like lipsticks and stuff, and Neo whips out this. He has my bag on his lap for no reason, by the way. And he's just like, what? Hold on, we're vlogging.
I'm vlogging.
Anyway, he goes, this is chapstick.
It's cherry flavored. I don't know if you use the word flavored or not. I don't know. I also like Bliss Kex. It says original, but it tastes minty. And there's like the red one, the punch. So here, children, is where we keep the ghost of Aaron Copland.
Hello, the vlog. Amy's dead.
That's I don't know.
Oh, mysterious hand.
Rachel.
Minor third scale just rolls up. Mystery.
Schoenberg.
It is physically impossible to dab and take a selfie. Look, I will demonstrate.
give me
I'm
your
gonna
phone.
demonstrate.
Yes. It's also physically impossible to dab and acquire dress. Like, we were stretching before and I was like,
Good thing I'm not wearing one.
Rachel.
That's it.
And Rachel wins the vlog. Hey Kat, you want to tell them when the alarm started going off?
We sang our last fucking note.
Beep! Literally, the second that we stopped singing, it was just like, la, beep! It was like, oh my god. It was like somebody was like waiting to do it. It was great. The real question is, how did you get changed in the...
So,
How?
there's my clothes. So I came out and I just ripped my dress off and I was wearing a skirt underneath and I was also wearing these leggings. And I had the shirt and I had the shirt underneath and I was like, boom, I'm done. Done.
I'm in a choir gown. Everybody's outside because it's like that.
At
It's
least
that time
it's
of
nice
the.
out. It's not raining anymore.
I'm wearing a choir dress.
Beautiful day.
I'm not happy.
We're gonna rip it in half.
No, I still need this. I need this for at least another year.
Hey Amy, this for you. Hey Amy, this for you. Hey
Oh, I fell.
We're rehearsing like good musical theater students. Yeah. Yes, we finished the dance. We finished the dance, Amy. Oh my god, I look like a fish.